Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Vanguard versus Eastside. We'll dive into their core investment strategies, looking at how each company approaches managing your money. Vanguard is known for its passive, low-cost approach, while Eastside focuses on active management. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right fit for your financial goals. Let's explore which might be better for your portfolio. Vanguard champions a passive investment strategy, primarily through index funds and exchange-traded funds. Their philosophy centers on minimizing costs, with many funds boasting expense ratios below 10%. This low-cost approach means more of your money stays invested, aiming to capture broad market returns rather than trying to beat the market. It's a straightforward strategy favored by many long-term investors. Eastside takes a different path, specializing in actively managed funds. Here, professional managers make investment decisions, aiming to outperform market benchmarks through careful stock selection and market timing. This active approach typically comes with higher expense ratios, often around 75% or more, reflecting the cost of research and management expertise. Investors choose Eastside hoping for superior returns from skilled fund managers. So, which is better for you? If you prioritize low costs and are content with matching market performance, Vanguard's passive approach is often a strong choice. However, if you believe in the potential for skilled managers to beat the market and are comfortable with higher fees, Eastside's active management might be more appealing. Your decision depends on your investment philosophy and risk tolerance. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both offer valid strategies, but their core principles differ significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.